In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Canva. If you want to quickly update wording in your Canva design and make sure it still looks polished, this is a very simple process once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to select your text, replace the content, and then fine-tune the formatting so it fits the overall style of your design. To begin, open your Canva design and locate the text you want to edit. Once you find it, click directly on that text box to select it. This tells Canva that you want to work with that specific text element, rather than the background, an image, or another object on the page. Make sure the correct text box is highlighted before moving on, especially if your design includes multiple text sections close together. Next, double-click the text itself and type your new content. This will place your cursor inside the text box so you can remove the existing words and enter your updated text. As you type, pay attention to how the new wording fits inside the box. If your text is longer or shorter than the original, the layout may shift slightly, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on spacing and line breaks while you edit. After that, use the toolbar at the top to adjust the appearance of your text. This is where you can change the font, increase or decrease the size, update the color, and modify the alignment. These settings help you match the text to the rest of your design and maintain a clean, consistent look. If you're working on a branded graphic, this is also the stage where you'd make sure the style stays visually on brand and easy to read. If needed, you can also adjust the spacing or apply text effects. Spacing controls are useful if the letters feel too crowded or the lines are too close together. Effects can help the text stand out more, but it's usually best to keep them subtle so the design stays professional and readable. Small adjustments often make a big difference here. Once you're happy with the text and formatting, click outside the text box to finish. This confirms your changes and lets you view the text as part of the full design again. At that point, you can step back and check that everything looks balanced and aligned properly. And that's it. That's how to edit text in Canva quickly and cleanly, while keeping your design looking polished and professional.